What's going on? Levi here from Digital Epidemic, coming at you with a mobile first video here about creating websites. That's right, today we're going to be creating a website in the WordPress platform with the Acabado theme on it. The reason we're doing that is because we're going for the fastest blogging site we can create using just our cell phone as the challenge here today. So stay tuned. Let's jump right into how we're going to do this part of the video. Aside from just the phone here, we're going to try and use the least amount of other things as we possibly can just to keep the cost down. But the one thing I am going to use is something like this, a handy dandy keyboard. And the reason I'm going to be using a keyboard like this is just to speed it up. Otherwise this video would take forever if I had to sit here and try and use the on-screen keyboard as I went. And it also does have a touchpad here on the side so that I can have a mouse too. You can see where the cursor is going to be and where I'm going to click on and all that good stuff. I'm going to accomplish that by using a little USB adapter, a little adapter here to go from a USB dongle here for the keyboard / trackpad and converting that into a USB Type-C and plugging that into the bottom of the phone here, which I'm going to go ahead and do now that we got lots of power. While the USB keyboard / trackpad gets the job done, I would highly recommend a wireless Bluetooth option. Because this kind of work is going to use up some battery and you may need that USB port to charge the phone while you work. All right, looks like that's hooking up and we can go ahead and start using the keyboard and trackpad here. All right, sure enough, we got it. So let's go ahead and jump into Chrome. Before you do anything, you're going to want to at least download the apps Chrome and LastPass to get this going. Those two, Chrome is just a necessity if you're going to want to follow along and do it the same way I'm doing it here on this phone. And then LastPass is great for all the logging in to different things we're going to be doing on the phone. So if you haven't already, go check out a video about that, which I will link in the description down below this video. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into Chrome here. Let's go to www.siteground.com/go/digital epidemic. All right, and for this, we're going to be using SiteGround as our hosting because they are just awesome. I've had nothing but great things with them, and they're super fast and reliable and helpful. So let's go up to web hosting. All right, and for this, I think all we're going to need is their startup, which is $3.95 a month. For the first year, you get locked in at that. That gives you one website, 10 gigs of web space, and 10,000 visits monthly. Or we could upgrade to the Grow Big unlimited websites because it is super handy to be able to have unlimited websites on there. Host multiple domains on the same plan. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get Plan. So we're going to go ahead and register a new domain. So let's go ahead and do that now. I kind of already had something in mind for this. So I'm going to do, and by the way, to register a new domain, this particular price is going to be $15.95 a year. So right now we're basically buying the .com for $16, and then we have to renew it every year for another $16 for every year when we want to keep doing it. So let's go ahead and type in lovelandfortcollinsco.com is what I'm going to register. I'll click proceed. Congratulations. The domain name we want is available. So now we got to go ahead and give them our information. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and come up with a password. Okay, once we're done picking out the password, we go ahead and fill out our personal information here about us. It looks like for the billing payment information, they're going to make us use a credit card. Now I can scan a new credit card. All right, now that we put in all the billing information, let's go ahead and scroll down here. Hosting services. Make sure it's got the one you chose at the beginning. We're doing the startup hosting plan for a period of 12 months. We want domain registration, yes. Domain privacy. That's something you can choose if you don't want your information to be able to be looked up based on your website ownership. And the total, we can confirm. Pay now. Okay, order was submitted. Looks like we are in. We have paid for it. We now own registration and hosting. Proceed to customer area. All right, and we are in. We can set up our site, check out their suggestions. They got all kinds of stuff. So let's see what we got on the menus here. We are home. We're going to go to our services, hosting, startup plan, and we got set up site. Let's click through that, see what that does. Okay, start a new website. Select. No, we're not migrating one. And we want WordPress and our login. Let's go ahead and fill that out. I guess if we have LastPass going, we could have generated one and then copied it. And then we'll use our fingerprint here. And then we'll hit continue. And then it wants to add it to LastPass. We're going to say yes, save, thank you. And then we can hit save here and finish. And it's creating our WordPress installation in the background right now. Setting up the SQL tables and all that good stuff. All right, let's see how it goes here. And we're all set. All right. Okay, that should be all we have to do. Manage site. All right, now we can go in and make a new email account. Probably a good idea to do that since we're right here. For our domain, we'll just do info. Create. Awesome, now we've created an email address that we can associate with this website. Let's go to dashboard. Oh wow, this even gives us analytics right here on the front page. When you're on a phone, that's nice. Okay, let's go, I guess, to App Manager. We've already got one down here, WordPress. Log into admin panel. And now we are in the back end of our website. It is up already. We can go there and see it if we want to. By opening up a new tab and going to online. I just saw it. Right there. There's our WordPress website. It is up. It is ready to start getting content. Now that we're in a new tab, let's go ahead and go into loveone4columns.co.com/WP-admin. Will be the website that we use to go in and edit our website in the back end of WordPress here. We're not going to do the WordPress starter by SiteGround. Now we can go into appearance, themes, and we're going to need to add a new one. But before we do, we got to go download it. So the theme I'm recommending in this video for blogging, especially here, because that's what we're setting up, is the Acabado theme by Income School. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my Income School portal area and go download the theme I need. Acabado. And all the links for everything are going to be down in the description, but I highly recommend you check out this theme by these guys. It is amazing, for sure. Amazingly fast. So let's download the theme. Okay, it's downloaded. Now let's go back over to our back end of our WordPress. Click Add New Theme. Click Upload Theme. Choose File. Allow it. Files. Let's go to Downloads. There's our zip file. Go ahead and click on that. Click Install Now. And it's up and going. Click Activate. And we've got a website up using just mobile with the Acabado theme on it. Let's go take a look at that. Click on the home here, and now we're getting a preview, and there isn't much here because we don't have anything going yet. But I believe if we go back into the dashboard, they have a demo starter kit. Let's go check into that. There's our Acabado manager right down there. We type in our subscription information. Well, you're going to type in your subscription information, not my information. All right, and we're live. It sees my subscription, so we're going to click update because it says there's a newer version. All right, theme is up to date. And we've got this theme recommends the following plugins: one-click demo import and short pixel image optimizer. Let's click plugins. We want to add a new plugin there. We're going to search for one-click demo import. One-click demo import. Looks like that was the one it talked about. So we're going to install now. Installed. Activate. And these are the few plugins we do have. We have the SG Optimizer, which is a plugin that SiteGround makes that comes with some standard, maybe not so standard, but some really good ways to speed up Google page speed, like caching, gzip, file compression, some other goodies. Let's see if we can find the one-click demo import area. By the way, installing Acabado gave us these sections like book reviews, product reviews, recipes, video reviews. And inside of settings, scroll down some more, Acabado settings. And then under Acabado settings, we can actually tell it if we want any of those on or off, like book reviews up there, product reviews, recipes, and video reviews. So we can actually turn those off if we didn't want those in that sidebar. And they have some other stuff like anti-bounce protection, which throws up a banner at the top that when they scroll down a certain amount, if they decide to scroll back up to the top, it throws a banner on the top saying, hey, you should check out the rest of our website, to try and get people to stick around a little bit longer. By default, it looks like it doesn't enable comments, so you'd have to enable that if that's something you really wanted. Let's see here if we can get into the demo setting. Appearance. Import demo data. Import demo data. Importing, please wait. All right, now it looks like we have demo data, so I'm gonna click on the house here to go visit the live site, and it does look like it is up and going now. All right, so we've got our Acabado stupid fast logo at the top, which we can replace with our own logo soon. And then we've got a hamburger menu button here, which pulls open the rest of the menu here. And it's going to do the exact same thing on desktop. It's just going to show a hamburger menu. And then when you click on it, it'll roll out horizontally versus vertically here. And then it looks like it propagated it with some dummy posts here. And even an About Us image. And this will be great. We can just swap out later with images that we make. And even some sidebar ad placement suggestions. And even footer ad suggestion as well, as far as placement. All right, let's jump over to the desktop here and see what the desktop version of the site looks like. All right, looking good. Looking good. Nice. All right, and now before we wrap up this video, let me show you why we're using Acabado as the theme and just how stupid fast it really is. Let's go to Google PageSpeed Insights. Insights, go ahead and do a Google search for that. And the very first one here, Google PageSpeed Insights. We'll go ahead and type in our website URL address. So enter to analyze it. It's going to tell us how fast it is on mobile and desktop out of 100. It looks like on mobile we are 100 out of 100, and desktop we are 100 out of 100. That's why we're using Acabado for this blogging website. If you want to get your hands on your own copy of Acabado, get down there in the description and find the link. So now all we got to do is get a logo going, a couple other things, and we'd have a done site. As for now, we're going to roll up this video and call it good, but we're going to shoot some other ones on adjusting some of the settings within this site. So stay tuned and check out some of the other videos we got. Again, thanks for watching. If you liked it, go click some stuff down below, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that good stuff, and check out the other videos. And happy blogging with your new site. I'm Levi. Take care.